Are you that person that sneezes 3 times and you say, hold on, I know I got one more coming? I'm going to explain to you why that happens. When we sneeze, it may happen once, twice, 3 times. It's all part of the same reflex pathway. It's part of your genetic code. Some people are just going to sneeze once. Other people, every time they sneeze, it's going to be 3 times or 5 times. They know how many times it is because it's always the same. So it doesn't mean that you're more allergic or that your cold is worse. That's just who you are.